Want to know how to create a simple website using Claude with HTML and CSS? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your cloud.ai website right here, and you should be on this interface. Now, on the top left side, you should be seeing new chat. Just simply select that, and your new chat should open up. Now, creating a simple website, it just requires a proper prompt. So I'm just going to type in this prompt, so you can just simply copy it. Now once you have typed in this prompt, you can just simply select enter, and now once you have selected enter, it should start creating your code just like this right here. Now it's loading and it should create you an HTML and CSS code, which you can just simply download, copy, and use it on VS Code and run it as well. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.